Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Reviews. Again, we're talking about Telesin, and we're talking about the long selfie stick. It's called the ultra long selfie stick from Telesin. Second generation carbon fiber insert. So inside here is a carbon fiber material. It has 9 stages and it goes from this size to 300 centimeters, which is, hey Siri, 300 centimeters to feet. 9.84 feet. So this is an absolutely very long selfie stick. I can't even get it all. Of course I can't get it in a frame, but it's extended a long way. So it's an invisible selfie stick. If you use your Insta360, hold on. It's got some nice rubber indicators here, so they actually push them in, they'll lock in. So you can do it different stages. You don't have to go all the way out. You can kind of go from different spots, and each one you can kind of lock in, which makes it nice. So it got a nice little strap here at the bottom. Comes with a GoPro mount on top with a screw, but I use it with the Insta360 X3. And yes, this stick does disappear out of view. I will show you some video of that right now. Let's go and roll the film.
You are a pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Alright, so that's some of the footage I had got with this thing. I mainly use this with the Insta360 X3 because of just the different nature of a 360 camera. Taking this stick out of frame, being that high up, it was fun to use. But of course you can use it with a GoPro. You can do that, get your high shot, or whatever camera you decide to put on here that doesn't weigh that much. So something small camera, it will work fine. If I put it on the ZV1F, because it's not very light camera, that kind of thing. But yeah, all in all, great tool. If you have an Insta360 X3 and you want to find a cheaper, long, extendable pole versus the one they sell on their website for around $100, this guy right here. Again, make sure you go down below, get my link, get my 5% off from Telesin, and use my code down below to get a break. Check Amazon, check Telesin's website with the discount and see what makes it better for you. Right now, this is on sale for $45.99 on Telesin's website. So take your 5% off and see what you get. At least get your tax back if they charge you tax. This is the box that came in, and it kind of got beat up during shipping. And that Insta360 X3, I will always bring this with me for that camera. The GoPro, maybe, probably so. That's my second one for this one. Will I ever use it with the Sony? Maybe to get a weird shot way up in the air with a better camera. But thanks for watching. Stick around for more.